Jai Hind students, Kanchan here, your English teacher, and I have taken this time the topic note making, and that is your writing skill, means it is to judge your writing skill. So note making helps students to express themselves in real life situations. It also enables them to acquire reading skills, including concising, means making brief, and scanning. So they acquire writing skills like summarizing, note making, and abstracting. So after reading any passage, they have to make it clear what exactly has been given there, and in a very proper way, in a very short way. So it is note making is a process of reviewing, connecting, and synthesizing ideas from reading or lecture. So the question on this type carries 8 marks, you know very well, consists of two parts. So in one part you have to make note making after reading the passage that is given, and now make the summary. The second part contains to summarize the passage. So let's discuss how to make notes. First, careful reading of passage. It means you have to read the passage carefully and underline the key sentences and phrases. This will help you in giving a title to the notes and also help in making the main points. Means while you are reading the passage with pencil, for your convenience, you can underline those words that can help you to write note making, and that can help you to focus on the points that have been given on in the given passage. So first point, read the given passage carefully, right? Next, logical sequence. Then you have to make sequence, right? Means make a rough notes of the main points and give them in a logical sequence. Means one by one, what should be the first, what should be the second, what should be the third, and it will be based on you that in how many parts, maximum 4, you are dividing the passage, so that you can write about the passage one by one. And third is format. Means you have to follow format as I am showing you here. First you have to write the title, and first divide the passage, and then write the title of each passage. Then also write the subheading, means what has been given in that heading. Then in that heading that you have divided, and what the main points have been discussed there. One by one you will write maximum 3 points. So in this way you will have to follow the format, and you have to also use abbreviations very well. I am coming to that point. And here, okay, now for you have to write title also, and then subheadings, means first title and then subheadings also, and under subheadings you have to also write subheadings, means what the main headings, what is the main heading and what has been given in the subheading. So you will have to write like this. These are subheadings here, 1 2 3. Now using abbreviations, and you will have to use abbreviations, means short form. And then how will you use abbreviations? First you can capitalize first letter of a combination of words like USA, UK, ATM, etc. Second thing, you can use common abbreviations like science. For science you can write SC. For Mr. you can write MR. So in this way you will have, it depends on you that how you are going to write. So it is short form of the things. Now use common symbols. As for rising, you can use this sign showing that something was rising or is rising, and for falling you can draw this line for showing less than. So these signs you can, signs means symbols, you can use. Now use measurements also and figures. So these are abbreviations you can use. So 4 abbreviations you can use there. Now notes should be like, first you will have to write title of the passage, and then you will have to divide the whole passage. Suppose you have divided into 3, means the passage you have divided into 3, then you will again write subheading. First you will write title for the whole paragraph, for the whole given passage, and then after dividing the passage you will again write subheading, means what has been given there, main point. Then one by one you will write in a very short form. It should not be a sentence, it should be a phrase. While you are writing subtitle, just make sure that you have not to write complete sentence. Instead you have to write in a very short way, and it should be just in a brief way, not a full sentence, and they should be put one below the other, means as here I have mentioned here one by one. So you will have to write in sequence the incidents, the events, whatever has been given. The information given in the passage you will have to divide one by one, like here heading, then in that, under that subheading what has been given, and you will have to again to be point out in a very short and brief way. So here in this way, like while you are going to write the title or heading for the passage, for the complete passage, for the whole passage, just make it sure it should be in about 3 or 4 words, not in a sentence, as you should write a title. So in this way you will have to complete. So after this, the second part contains summary. To write summary, just keep it in mind, you have to summarize, not to write the whole passage, not to copy. Many students, they just copy the given passage. Don't copy it. You have to summarize in your own words, not in more than I think maximum 7 lines, maximum 7, and it should be in 5-6 lines, 6 lines, and it should be in a very short way. But summarizing means you will have to summarize, you will have to write what the main ideas has been given in the passage. For example, if you are, suppose you are given this passage to write, to write note making purpose. So first you will have to read the passage carefully and keep a pencil with you, and just underline the main points. That point means those points will help you to understand the ideas that have been given in the passage. So it depends on you in how many parts you are going to divide the passage. So you will have to divide the passage in 3 parts, or you can divide in 4 parts. So suppose if you are going to divide this, because this passage has been this passage is about human mind, and human mind and how to keep it relaxed. So you will write the title human mind, and you can also add to relax, to make it relaxed. So first title will be human mind. Then under that title you will have to also divide this passage into 3 parts, into 4 parts. Again you will write title. Suppose you are you have divided into 3 part, so you will write again what has been given in the first part, what has been given in the second part, and what has been given in the third part. So just suppose you are going to divide into 3 parts. So in the first part it has been about store, because here is information about the informations that human mind keeps. So you will write about the informations that human mind keeps. So in this way you will write in a very short way storehouse of information. So here it is about the storehouse of information, means indirectly storehouse means our mind is just like storehouse of information. And in second you will have to write about orientation of mind. So you will because this has been discussed here, and in the last you will write the title how can we make it relaxed. So it is about these things, means write after reading carefully. Just take a pencil with you and just underline the main points, and also make it in sequence in how many parts you are going to divide one by one. Suppose you are going to divide into 3 parts. फिर in 3 parts what are you going to title the first part, and title for the second part, title for the third part. But just keep it in mention, you will have to write also one title for the whole passage. And when you will divide, so under that title you will have to also point out in a very short way using abbreviation that what has been discussed here. Just I am giving you here example about that if here the word, suppose here analyzes, agar if it has been there, or another word if I take tremendous. Okay, here this word is tremendous, so you can make it short TRMDS, tremendous, TRMDS. And next again productive, if you are right, oriented, ORENT and D, very short form. So in this way you can use abbreviations. So and in the second part of the answer you will have to summarize this passage. Don't copy the whole passage, you have to write main points in your own sentence. So this is all about note making. I hope you would have understood well. Now just follow the things that I have told and do like that. Okay student, I am just going to end it. Okay, Jai Hind students.